I'm just using the microphone built into this laptop, but there are a couple things that I've done to make sure that I might have that edge to get a little bit of a nicer sound. I'm surrounded by pillows. Imagine if you're in your favorite marble hallway. It's just going to be really echoey. You can clap and you'll hear it. Everybody will hear you. Sound travels across hard surfaces and it bounces off of hard surfaces, and that's how you can create some echo. You can get a really tinny, low fidelity sounding recording just from being in a space that's not essentially padded. If you've seen or been in a radio booth or a recording booth of any kind, you may notice that there's often foam that's on the walls. In the corners, if it's a hardwood floor, it might have a rug down, something like that. So that's just to minimize the amount of hard surfaces that you're surrounded by. So in order to try to get some good sound here, I chose to sit on a couch. I chose to have a lot of large pillows around me. So I've tried to surround myself with as much dampening material as I can to try to lower the amount of echo or tinniness that you'd hear in the recording. If you're on a Zoom call with somebody else, you're not going to convince them you're not on a Zoom call by increasing your production value. You're creating something that's going to be around for a while. You want lots of people to see it, something that reflects you professionally. It's absolutely worth the effort.